Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation. My name is Reza Farani, PhD researcher at University of Klagenfurt, and today I'm pleased to present my accepted paper, CDN and SDN support and player interaction for HTTP adaptive video streaming. Firstly, I will introduce the topic and talk about key research question, some state of the art, and I will present methodology for addressing the research question, then about publication and future work. As you know, video traffic has become the dominant traffic over the internet, and according to Cisco VNI report, it is expected to reach more than 82% of all internet traffic by 2021. HTTP adaptive streaming has been considered as a de facto video delivery technology over the internet. In this technology, the video segments are encoded in different uh, resolution or different bitrate and stored in hash server, so video player adapt the video quality by considering the client resources like playout buffer and network condition. In pure client-based approach, there are insufficient information about the network, and it can lead to suboptimal adaptation decision. So network assisted video streaming service seems that can be more beneficial for the user QoE compared to the pure client based. Fundamental paradigm of modern networks like SDN, NFV, and edge computing recently has been used in modern network assisted frameworks. In SDN paradigm, the control plane and data plane are decoupled from each other, and the control plane are placed at the one component called SDN controller that have a global view of the network and assist the clients for different tasks. As a research question, as a first research question, we want to investigate how SDNs and CDN provide assistance for HAS clients in order to improve media delivery service. As you can see in the figure, we can send some information like network map, path information, cache, occupancy, throughput measurement, and throughput prediction to the client, and client by this information can decide about the next segment precisely. For the next research question, we want to investigate will assistant by has client for the SDN and CDN work, which assistant and how. The SDN controller could employ the following information provided by the has, for example, user behavior, content popularity, content prefetching, etc., for different purpose like caching, dynamic routing policy, etc. Also, we can use information in hybrid peer-to-peer CDN framework for low latency video streaming and network bandwidth use, improving network bandwidth usage, etc. In the third research question, we want to investigate the utility of proposed approach by different criteria. For example, QoE parameter, CDN utilization, QoS parameters, network utilization, etc. How can the utility be evaluated both in theoretical and practical setting and in practice? Simulation, emulation, and testbed could be answer of this research question. For the state of the art, there are some standard work like also net session for Akamai and that's used, and there are some papers as a research papers that we can investigate for this purpose. For methodology, we use the design and abstraction method introduced by ACM, including the following steps: identify requirement, define a specification, design, implement, and test the system. As a publication, we have two accepted paper in ACM Nostaf called ES-HAS, also CSDN for IEEE LCM, that we try to introduce an edge component and use the capabilities like transcoding at the edge or optimization at the edge by the replacement quality. And in both of them, we could improve the performance of state-of-the-art approaches in terms of QE experience. For the ongoing and future work, we devise network-assisted system for has client that use edge collaboration technique, devise a hybrid peer-to-peer CDN system to provide low latency live video streaming. Also deploy a network-assisted has system for having an optimized bitrate ladder. Thank you so much for your consideration, and I will be happy to answer your question. Thank you.